In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Today's video is on Ampleforth. I'm really excited to bring this project to you guys. This is a unique project in crypto. I want to do the Ampleforth price prediction today for you guys, so you guys can have an idea of where it's going. I'm also going to do a review of Ampleforth, a little bit of an overview, give you guys some idea of what the project is about, why there's so much excitement about the project, and I want to get you guys some knowledge about it. I didn't know much about this project either until recently. Someone mentioned it on one of the comments on one of my previous videos. So I did a little research, and I'm excited to bring that information to you guys and the price prediction. I'm excited to bring that to you guys. Ampleforth is adaptive money and built on sound economics. So I'm just gonna go over the stuff that I do know about it. So the demand for, I'm going to read from their website real quick. I know when you guys hate when I do this, but I just want to do it real quick. So demand for currencies is volatile. Varying economic circumstances like recessions, booms, and technological advances affect how much currency people want to hold. In the case of fixed supply currencies like gold, silver, and Bitcoin, these changes in demand are expressed entirely by changes in the value of the currency. This means the volatility of demand translates into the price of anything denominated in that currency, including contracts and notably debt. For this reason, sudden shocks in demand can destabilize ecosystems supported by fixed supply assets. The greater the complexity of an ecosystem built on fixed supply assets, the greater the risk of cascading failure. To address this shortcoming, we gave Ampleforth the ability to fairly and automatically adjust its supply in response to demand without any need for a bank. Amp was designed to be the simplest direct solution to the supply and inelasticity problem. So AMP is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but with a twist. Supply changes daily. So the supply of AMPL changes daily. The number of AMPL you own can change each day. The AMPL protocol automatically adjusts supply in response to demand. When price is high, wallet balances increase. When price is low, wallet balances decrease. But you can never be diluted by supply inflation. AMP is non-dilutive. Supply adjustments are applied universally and proportionally across every wallet balance. This means your percent ownership of the network remains fixed. This solves the diversification problem. Today's cryptocurrencies are dangerously correlated. AMP's unique incentives allow it to decouple from Bitcoin's price pattern. This reduces systematic risk by adding diversity to a homogeneous ecosystem. This solves the inelasticity problem. Sorry guys, like precious metals, today's fixed supply of cryptocurrencies are vulnerable to certain shocks in demand and cannot be used to denominate complex contracts. As a result, sophisticated economies cannot be built upon them. AMP is the simplest direct solution to the supply inelasticity problem. Use cases. The unique incentives, movement pattern, and monetary qualities of AMP make it ideally suited for the following near, medium, and long-term use cases: a diversifying asset, a DeFi building block, a bit of Bitcoin, and alternative to central bank money that is adaptable to shocks. AMP is rules-based, elastic, bankless, non-dilutive, and speculative. So that's what we know about AMP. All right, so let's get into the current price of AMP. You can buy AMP on a different exchanges. You can also stake AMP as well, experiencing your first rebase. So you can buy AMP on these exchanges: Uniswap, Bitfinex, and KuCoin. And they have Geyser and Ampleforth. Geyser, the smart faucet that incentivizes on-chain liquidity. Users receive AMP for providing liquidity on Uniswap. The more liquidity you provide and for longer, the greater share of the AMPL pool you receive. I want to go to CoinMarketCap. Let's just look at AMP here. AMP is $3.98 per token right now. It's ranked 63 on CoinMarketCap. The market cap is $135 million. The volume is $9.5 million. The circulating supply is $34 million. 34 million coins. The total supply is 89 million coins. And as you can see, it has had a tremendous range up in the past few months. We went from in March around 50 cents to now we're at $3.98, which would be a 6x gain in the past 3 months. So AMP is definitely doing well. The all-time high is $4.04, which was just hit today, July 12, 2020. So AMP is definitely getting a lot of hype. The all-time low is 29 cents, which is October 31st, 2019. So AMP is getting a lot of hype right now and it's definitely doing well. The chart is looking very juicy. I would expect some retracement, but it's very impressive what it's doing. So why is there so much hype about AMP? Well, let's go to the Twitter page. Michael Arrington said this about AMP. AMP, which is an inflationary when prices above $1 and deflationary when prices below. It's inflationary when price is below $1 and deflationary when it's below is going crazy today. The coin is designed to always return towards 1 by deflating the number of coins in existence. It's a totally unique coin. I also wanted, so the Uniswap daily volume for AMP crosses 20 million. So AMP surges after the Geyser launch. So they also launched Geyser, so it incentivizes on-chain liquidity, and that also has pushed up the value of Ampleforth as well. So we have to remember that that AMP does have a lot of things that are pumping in. This is also interesting too. I want to share with you guys. This is a detailed list of Ampleforth investors and advisors, launched by Brandon Ills and Evan Kuku in 2019. AMP was designed as a synthetic commodity that is uncorrelated with assets such as Bitcoin. Look at these investors. So Joey Krug, he's the co-investment officer at Pantera Capital. He is also someone who is involved with AMP. He's been involved in other projects, Pantera Capital, OX, Origin Protocol. So he's been there. This other guy, Sam Lesson, is a co-founder at Fin and GP Slow Ventures. He studied at Harvard University, in which he studied social studies and graduated in 2005. He worked at Facebook as well. So he's involved in AMP as well. And then Neil Ferguson is a Scottish-born historian and current senior fellow at the Hoover Institute at Stanford University. And he's been involved in some projects as well. And he's involved with Ampleforth. He's another crypto investor. Noah Jessup is a crypto investor and venture capitalist who's also invested in Ampleforth. So you have these people involved in Ampleforth. This guy as well, Paul Verdak, is an investor at Pantera Capital and board member at Blockfolio. He's invested in Ampleforth as well in 2017. So interesting to see. Manuel Cruz as well, associated with Harvard University, and he's invested in Ampleforth as well. And True Ventures, a Silicon Valley-based venture capital firm that invests in early technology stage startups with under $2 billion under management. They invested in Fitbit and the smart doorbell Ring that was acquired by Amazon. Other projects backed by True Ventures, they have a list of successful projects here as well. Pantera Capital was the first United States-based Bitcoin investment firm that started investing in cryptocurrency in 2013, and they invested in all of these big projects here that you see: Civic, Circle, Ripple. So very interesting to see that. All right, so Slow Ventures, they have just a huge list of investors in Ampleforth. Brian Armstrong, FBG Capital. Brian Armstrong is big because he's the founder of Coinbase, CEO and co-founder of Coinbase. So you have all of these people invested: FBG Capital, Robbie Capital, Spartan Group, Nimra Capital. Notable influencers Chainlink and Ampleforth already have a partnership together. Charlie Shrem, Michael Arrington. So you have all these people into Ampleforth, big names who are aware of Ampleforth and understand why it's so unique. So definitely check out Ampleforth just because of all, just, you know, some of the big names is just another reason to take a look at it as well. What else can I tell you about Ampleforth? Well, I can tell you also, guys, that the price forecast. Oh yeah, I didn't get into the price forecast. So I was going to do the price prediction. So digital coin price prediction for Ampleforth is, the current price is $3.98. By the end of 2020, it's predicting that it'll be $6.96. By the end of 2021, it'll be $8.60. By the end of 2022, it'll be $10.24. By the end of 2023, it'll be $11.98. By the end of 2024, it'll be $13.91. By the end of 2025, it'll be $14.62. By the end of 2026, it'll be $17.74. That's the Ampleforth price prediction. There's also the price prediction coming from the monthly. At the end of July 2020, it'll be $6.54. August 2020, it'll be $7.63. September 2020, $7.66. October 2020, $6.49. November 2020, $7.78. December 2020, $6.67 for Ampleforth. Also, looking at the technical indicators on TradingView.com, technical indicators on the 1 day say Ampleforth is a buy. On the 1 week, it's a buy. On the 1 month, it's neutral. If you look at the 1 day, the moving averages is a strong buy on the 1 day. On the 1 week, the moving averages are also a strong buy. And on the 1 month, the moving averages are, everything is neutral on the 1 month. So of course, because it goes back to neutral as designed. Ampleforth is doing as a design. They have a website on Medium that talks about Ampleforth. So yeah, but that's the Ampleforth review overview, and I wanted to give you guys the price predictions. Let me know in the comments below what are your price predictions for Ampleforth, and let me know what you think about the project. Thank you for following knockoutcrypto.com. Don't forget to go to Knockout Crypto to get the next big crypto report. Also, there's more information at knockoutcrypto.com that I can only share with my members. Guys, thank you for following the channel. Appreciate your support. Stay safe during the pandemic. Thank you.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.